helping keep modern Manx history alive.
Film's set in the 70s and it's about two young boys and the trouble they get into with a farmer and a pig, basically.
Yeah.
I don't want to give too much of the film away, but that's pretty much it.
And I hit someone, that's all.
Yes. That's all we're going to say.
How do you get involved in the film?
They held some auditions at school, so I went along to that and then had a few callbacks and got the part.
Did you have to like pigs?
Pardon?
Did you have to like pigs?
Yeah, pretty much, yeah.
We all started out liking pigs, and towards the end of it we weren't so favourable with them.
So what was it like making the film?
Great.
Interesting.
It was tiring.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really tiring. It was good.
And you've seen it already, I trust, have you?
No?
No.
Oh.
Not yet.
So this is a big moment tonight?
Yeah.
Big surprise for all of us, yeah. Fingers crossed.
And you also got lots of supporters here tonight?
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Yeah?
Family and friends as well.
So sell it to me, describe it. How would you sell it? As a comedy or a thriller or what?
It's a drama. I think the director could actually. Is it a comedy?
Yeah, what is it?
The director's there. We could ask him.
I'll ask him. You don't know?
Well, we just got told what to do.
Yeah,
you know?
So you'll be watching the director very carefully tonight if the film's,
If everybody starts laughing, it was a comedy.
Yeah.
So this is something. It's the second time I've shot a film with John. We both come from the London Film School. So yeah, we'll wait and see. We're happy with that.
So why do it here?
Isle of Man. Well, I'm from London originally, so with the UK Film Council being axed, there's not much money down there. Up here, Isle of Man Arts Council were very sort of positive, and they offered us some money to make it, and that got the ball rolling. And then a lot of local companies came in, helped us out, and so yeah, it was the finances here that really helped, and then the landscape and the kind of local cast that kind of made it all worthwhile coming up here.
And how do you find it?
Yeah, brilliant. I'm actually from here, so I'm really proud of the Arts Council supporting us, and all the local businesses that have sponsored us as well. It's, I mean, you wouldn't get that level of funding in the UK, so it's a good thing about the island.
Are you pleased with the turnout here for your premiere?
Yeah, no, it's quite fantastic. It's quite daunting, really, having 150 people. I think we filled the cinema out coming to see the premiere. So hopefully they'll enjoy it. We're showing another one of our films to sort of start with, get people into the whole experience, and yeah, it's always nice to sort of hear what people think about the film at the end of the day as well. It's always good to hear feedback, positive or negative. It's always sort of teaches you where to go next. So I'm looking forward to that.
Where can this film go? I mean, because it is a short, so it'll never get a full screening, I trust, in its own right, but it'll go on to other things with it?
Well, the kind of shorts world is very strange. It tends to be sort of international festivals across the world, and these festivals offer a kind of place to screen the film, make a lot of contacts. You go and meet other filmmakers, they're screened to filmmakers and people who sort of are into film, and yeah, hopefully you make the contacts, and that brings new jobs and different people, and so that's really where we're kind of hoping to sort of start sending it.
Got good vibes about it?
Absolutely. I mean, we really hope it'll do well on the festival circuit. That's the main way people will see it.
Finally, where are you going to be in 5 years or 10 years? Hollywood bound, is it, you guys?
I don't know about Hollywood, but I don't know. I'd quite like to work in the sort of British film industry. I think maybe the European film industry.
Yeah, no, my plan is to stay in London for the next few years, and then hopefully maybe branch out between London and Spain, and maybe Hollywood maybe 10 years or so. We'll see. We'll wait and
Please subscribe to the Isle of Man TV archive channel. Thank you.